Okay, what is going on, guys? I am out with my buddy Clayton, and he has a really cool old vintage film camera. I thought some of you guys might find it interesting. Clayton doing his magic here, and hopefully it's gonna look cool. First I have ever seen a film camera like this. From 1970 is what Clayton's thinking it is. Oh, that sound.
Flip it back. See, we're on frame one. Now we're gonna go to...
So you were in portrait and now you're flipping it back to landscape?
Yeah. Here's frame two.
We're so used to digital stuff where you can just snap as many photos as you want. I think this one, he has a roll of like eight photos per roll. And so it makes you value every shot you take that much more. So it's kind of a cool exercise in making every single shot count. So he said his ISO is locked in at 400, and so he then has to adjust the f-stop and a shutter speed accordingly. Obviously you don't have like a live viewfinder necessarily to know exactly if you're exposed properly, so you just have to find the right combination and make it work.
I hope that one doesn't suck. So my ISO has to be stuck at 400. I have it set at my aperture being at 11, and I kind of want to expose for the boats, right? So I want to tap on the boats. It looks like 6.3. We're going f8. And that'd be a 200th of a second, which is somewhere.
Losing light, so we put it on a tripod. It looks like a massive, looks like a cinema camera.
I know.
On a thin little tripod.
I feel like Cameron right now, James Cameron.
That's right.
Clayton Cameron.
We're gonna go into Old Stewart. Try to find some like cool neon lighting. Clayton got, we hope and assume, good photos back there.
Like, look at those weird blurry things.
We don't really have any way of knowing how it looks for a while. So we're gonna go to Old Stewart, see what we can find, and see if we can get some cool shots.
Let's do it too, man.
Let's do it, dude.
I don't know what's with my voice right now.
All right, so we were walking down this side street, and there's this really quaint looking restaurant here behind me, and right through this door there's a guy playing a piano, just like really quaint, classic looking shots. So Clayton's trying to shoot through with the film right through like an open doorway, get a shot of this guy on the piano. Take a look. Okay, so we were outside getting a picture of that, and the manager comes out and starts talking to us, basically just invites us in. And is like telling us about the 1920s history of this building here.
These were all storefronts. They had a barbershop, a suit.
Yeah.
Postmaster, this is 102 years old, the floor is.
Wow.
She's like telling us to just come in and gave us a tour, take pictures. I mean, you feel like you're walking back into
Time,
like 1920s, 1930s.
Like 70s and the 20s.
You never know what you're gonna encounter when you're out shooting photos. What's
Hazel?
Hazel.
Hazel? She looks like she's having a good evening on the town.
All right, come on, we gotta go potty.
All right, Lucas is giving it a try.
All right, we're gonna see what we can do here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Still not used to it being flipped.
These cool neons with the street light. So this is Lucas's shot.
All right, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed seeing the behind the scenes. I'm getting some film from what kind of camera?
RB67.
RB67.
Mamiya RB67.
Mamiya RB67. So hopefully the photos look cool. Plane's gonna hopefully get them developed at some point here, and hopefully I can put those on the video.
Shout out
for
to
you.
Graham White for letting me use the camera.
Yes, thank you so much for letting us use the camera. Sick photos, I'm sure. We have no idea what they're gonna look like.
Unless I didn't do his camera justice at all, but
no,
well.
It's gonna look cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, stay tuned for more content. If you like behind the scenes vlog type content, then let me know what you like. We're trying not to get run over by cars, and we'll see you guys in the next one.